my dreamers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today I wanted to do a what I eat in a day video. I've been seeing a lot of videos like that lately, especially since we're in quarantine. I feel like, you know, a lot of people have more time to eat. I'm not a cook or anything. The food that I will be showing you are not complex or anything. I just want to show you like what I eat on a daily and like something realistic that I do eat on a daily. So yeah, without babbling too much, let's get right into it. Okay, so for this morning I am having bagels, and obviously this is like the easiest to make, but I usually like getting the everything flavor. So I just popped it into the toaster and down it goes. Once I take the bagels out, I just apply some cream cheese. I don't know about you guys, but I like a lot of cream cheese on my bagels. So I also like to drink orange juice in the morning, and I like to add some apple cider vinegar into the orange juice just so it's bearable to drink. I'm about to make my favorite salad. This is a salad that I have been eating like every day. So I'm going to be making it right now. So the ingredients that I usually put in this salad are lettuce. And then I already cut these up. I just have red onions, cucumbers, and 2 eggs. I also like putting a little bit of some flax seeds into my salad. Just put the lettuce first. So lettuce is usually the most. Then I throw in some cucumbers. Some red onions. I'm gonna use this little egg cutter. Just so much easier. I don't usually like yolk, but sometimes I just throw it in there. Throw in a spoonful like this onto the salad. Then my favorite dressing is this Italian dressing from Olive Garden. Pour it in. So I've just been trying out this yogi tea. This is the green tea blueberry slim life. Just throw the tea bag in here. So it is dinner time, and I'm going to be making something easy yet tasty. This is definitely comfort food, something that I ate growing up. Today's dish is chicken with cabbage. They're chicken wings. I don't really eat anything else but chicken wings just because it's more tastier in my opinion. Just on an empty pan. So I have cabbage here, and I'm just going to chop it up. And stir, stir, stir.
That would be a very awkward one.
And I'm going to finish the night off with the boba ice cream. These are so delicious. If you have not tried it, you need to try it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can be a part of my little family here on YouTube. And I hope you guys like this video. It's kind of weird, kind of all over the place and different, but I just wanted to do something different on my channel. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys all in my next video. Bye.